Hey, Prodigy.exe, Derek Anthony here, and I just got to give a huge shout out to Ian. Um, I want to pronounce your last name Dictyar. That's probably way mangled and way wrong. I do apologize, but I really love the Vision Board 2.0 that you released in the I Love Me starter pack or starter bundle. And so that's the template that I chose to take a look at because it's actually something that I've been looking to put together for myself. And in gaining access to your starter pack or the I Love Me starter pack, you've given me a huge advantage or a huge lead on accomplishing what I was looking to get done this week. So I want to say thank you so much for taking your time and putting in the effort in creating a step-by-step guide, utilizing Notion's built-in AI to deliver one heck of an experience for any user who might not know exactly how to create achievable steps for their own aspirations. And so again, I'm Prodigy. Your Vision Board 2.0 inside of Notion is incredible. The usage of Notion's built-in AI is fantastic in helping anyone who might be unfamiliar with the power of vision boarding or who might not necessarily know the steps that follow creating visualizations of your goals or your dreams, including Notion's AI as essentially a virtual mentor of sorts. You've done an incredible job here. And again, I just want to say thank you just personally because this is going to help me. And I hope and I know it will help so many others. And if your other templates are in any way like this one, then buddy, you're knocking it out of the park. This is definitely a home run for me. Again, I'm Derek Anthony Jordan, better known as Prodigy.exe. Be on the lookout for Ian and anything that he's putting out. But first, check out the I Love Me starter bundle. And I'm going to look at getting the premium version as soon as possible. So, Ian, thank you again. I really hope you continue to create Notion templates with the same level of thoughtfulness.